Like stashing. She likes stashing. She likes
Boys, parties, style, fame.
she likes
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of The Gist right here on Plugtv Live. I'm here to do what I know how to do best, give you the latest information happening all around the world. So we're going to be starting off with this one. This whole stanship thing is beginning to get out of hand because some Davido and Wizkid fan club, aka Wizkid FC and Davido FC, went into some issues online. So what happened was, Davido's elder brother just got married right now. The whole 30 billion gang and Adeleke clan was in Calabar because he got married to his girlfriend Kani. Congratulations to them, by the way. And now Davido's dad was at the wedding, of course, because his son got married, and of course Dangote, who is the richest man in Africa. So the both of them were present at this wedding, and then a Davido fan took a screenshot of a picture or of a video, and then he said this is the reason a lot of people don't like Davido, including Wizkid. That then he said something about, they're angry that their MCM's parents are not that wealthy. He just said that, and then someone now, a Wizkid fan, just came all out and said he was courses on Wizkid, that he's going to say today that none of the guy's parents is going to make money, nobody's going to be rich in their home. He just escalated the whole thing, and then the guy's like, I wasn't insulting, I'm just saying that the fact that this guy's dad is rich is the reason you people don't like him. But they didn't take it easy. They went all out, insulting Davido. Then Davido's fans, started insulting Wizkid as well, and it just went ugly. It became so ugly that Davido had to comment. So Davido had to say that he's disappointed in his fans for engaging themselves in something like that, and he's also disappointed in Wizkid's fans, for going all out and trying to lay content and all. Hey guys, it's just bands. But then, if it gets that serious, please don't. Davido and Wizkid are in their house. Don't kill yourself for people that are making money. Alright, anyways, that's it with Davido. Moving on from that one right now, popular Instagram dancer, for lack of better words. She goes by the name Jane Menna. She just got married and she broke the internet, literally, because at her traditional wedding, she decided to give her husband a lap dance. Oh my God, I'm a woman. I saw that lap dance. That guy dare not cheat, because what's he going outside to look for? I mean, it was so good, and the internet really, went bonkers. Everyone was talking about it because that video was mind-blowing. Anyways, you should check out the video really if you haven't seen it. More on the gist right now. Actor Okorie has just escaped death. Yes, so we're grateful to God for her life because, according to her, she was attacked by assassins and they shot at her car. She said there were 30 bullets at her car. They removed 10 bullets from her head. She said all of that. She was shot, yeah, but I don't know. I don't think Nigeria has the capacity to remove 10 bullets from anybody's head. I don't think so. But then if she says it, it's her story. And we're going to thank God for her. Congratulations to you, Okorie. We're happy that you did not die. We're happy that 10 bullets in your head did not kill you. We're happy that the 30 bullets that was shot at your car also did not kill you. Great work. Alright, so moving on from her right now to a sad one. J1 just lost his father. He shared the news on Instagram, and everybody's sending their condolences to him. We're also sending our condolences to you, J1. But the painful part is his dad did not get to see his child that was just born. Really sad, really sad. Now to our final story for today. You know that there's this blogger who just always tries to find herself in every news, and she goes by the name Blessing. She accused Tacha, Big Brother Naija Tacha, of trying to kill her. So she says Tacha sent assassins to her hotel room. Of course, it was a weird story because where did that come from? She went ahead to delete the post because no one really talked about it because everyone knew she was just clout chasing. Now to our final story of the day. More on Big Brother Naija. Bisola, who was the first runner-up of the Sigobe, and then Toby, of course, who was one of the finalists of the Double Wahala Big Brother Naija, went at each other on social media. So Bisola went all out on Twitter saying that actors should learn to brush their mouth, that you cannot be an actor and have mouth odor, that somebody can't tell them that she went on a date with the guy and she just couldn't breathe, blah 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 blah. And everyone was like, who is the guy? Say his name, all of that. No one even thought of anyone. And the next thing, Toby then says, look at this one, calling out someone. This is somebody that has a loud mouth. She talks too loud. She's not true. She's not packaged. She's, all of that. And where is that even coming from? So it's now making everyone wonder, was she referring to Toby? I personally don't think so. Maybe a friend of Toby, but who is that person? Stay with us on the Just Trust Us to find out. All right? So catch us on the next episode, and I'll definitely tell you who that person is. I'm sure that you have had a wonderful time with us right here on the Gist, and you have been informed, like I promised you at the beginning of the show. The name is Sarah, and this has been the Gist on Plugtv Live. Like we always say, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button right now. And of course, don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends as well. I'll be back again with you guys another time. Bye.
Like that shit.